guys, here chocolate
Ice cream!
Today we're gonna do the hot ice experiment again because we failed last time. Today we use mask because last time it was really smelly. The smell of the vinegar was so strong. So if you have, it is better to use a mask for your protecting your nose.
So these are what we mean. Baking soda, a saucepan, a beaker, a vinegar, and a tablespoon. So let's get started.
We measure 1,000 milliliter of the vinegar. So these are 1 liter of vinegar. Now we'll put 4 tablespoons of the baking soda. If your saucepan is full, I strongly recommend you to put the baking soda slowly because it makes effervescence. Stir well to dissolve the baking soda. Wow. These gases are actually CO2, which is carbon dioxide. This is because this acetic acid in the vinegar made with the baking soda. Cold in the saucepan because this system is this reaction is endothermic reaction. So this the solution absorbs the heat. So the outside of the system will have the low temperature. So now we'll boil this solution with a medium heat. Strong heat can be used also, but it will decolorize the vinegar in this solution. So it is better to keep the medium heat so that color remain transparent. So we will have this in a medium heat, and according to the internet, we should boil this until there is a crystal formed around the saucepan. So we'll see. So this is already boiled. So right now I'm gonna pour this in a cup. In here we can see kind of crystal surface. It should be pour in a cup first and then make a crystal, but it already formed the crystal in the saucepan. Now we're gonna put this in a cup. Smells so bad. So alright, we should cover this up with an aluminum foil to prevent other impurities goes in the solution. So now we'll put this in the fridge about several minutes and check whether the crystal forms or not. So let's see. We'll wait around 15 to 30 minutes to cool this solution down. So we wait about 30 minutes in the fridge, but I think it is too long because in the bottom you can see that already powdered baking soda is sink in the bottom side. So I'm not sure if this experiment can success, but we'll try. the experiment should show this flow, this kind of crystal in a cup, but it's formed only in saucepan. Anyway, I'll try to build up this hot ice. So this experiment is kind of failed, so we'll try again to boil this again with using this plastic wrap and put it in the white microwave to boil again and get a new solution again. Microwave, and then for 1 minute 30 seconds or 2. So we heated this. Wow! Oh wow! Can you see? I don't know why, but I think it is burned. The plastic foil is burned by, the heat in the microwave. So this is the solution we made again. I will put this one again for prevent the impurities goes in. Now we'll put this in the room temperature in here, not in the fridge. This is because I think that because we put this in the fridge and only this bottom part is conducted in the fridge, only the bottom part there's a baking soda returns the solid again. So prevent that situation again, I'll put this in a room temperature, and regularly all the solution can be cooled together. We'll wait about 20 until 30 minutes to cool this solution down. So now I waited to 20 minutes and I'll start to put this solid crystal in the solution.